be showing you the top multi-language apps for your Shopify store. Now, all of these apps are completely free or have generous free plans, making it super easy for you to sell in multiple languages, hopefully helping to increase conversions as customers will be comfortable in their own language. So the first app we'll take a look at here is Shopify's own Translate and Adapt app. This lets you speak every customer's language, and it's easy to translate and adapt your store for any market. What's great about this app too is that it includes 2 languages for free where you can auto-translate the content of your store. It makes it easy to also edit the translations as well, side by side with their original reference. This lets you adapt for different markets, and it pairs very seamlessly with Shopify's market settings and language settings within the store. In terms of reviews, sitting at a pretty good 4.6 stars with over 800 5-star reviews. And if we take a look at the summary here, it enhances global accessibility of online stores, and it's noted for its cost of effectiveness even in the free version, and allows for manual adjustments. And several videos on this on the channel as well, breaking down exactly how to use this app. The next app we'll take a look at is called TLab AI Language Translate. It also lets you translate your store into multiple languages, as well as adding currencies to reach new markets and boost sales. So you can do both manual and AI translations. The autopilot is going to automatically translate every new or updated piece of content, so details stay accurate in every language. This gives you smarter translations with store context, and you can give an AI a hint about your store's focus, like fashion, electronics, or decor, so it's going to translate the product terms with spot-on accuracy. It also provides seamless integration with various third-party applications and allows you to extend the reach of your translations beyond the core platform. You can see Judge Me, Gem Pages, and Shogun here. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made. And that's where our sponsor PRODKIT comes in. It's a one-click profit calculator that makes it super easy to understand your store's true performance. Once set up, you just have to select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations, including all your different ad spend accounts such as Facebook, Google, Bing, Snapchat, TikTok, and Pinterest, along with tons of other metrics and analytics so you can make smarter business decisions. There's a free 15-day trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. I'll leave a link in the description below that will link to the Shopify app listing. You can also search for PRODKIT in the Shopify app store and then look for this logo in the top left here. So this concludes the video. It also includes multi-currency support, so you can enhance the shopping experience by providing clear localized pricing as well. In terms of pricing for this app itself, it's free to install and you get free AI translations for 500 products, 20 collections, 20 articles, with the option to get more credits at 5 cents per word. Paid plans start at $9.99 a month. At $4.99, you get unlimited AI translations. In terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 867 5-star reviews. Merchants highly recommend this app for supporting international store expansions and attracting a broader customer base. It's praised for its cost effectiveness and efficient handling of large inventories. The third app we'll take a look at here is called Transtore Language Translate. You can translate languages, convert currencies, and redirect with geolocation. So it gives you smarter and faster translations with AI, and you can translate your store in seconds, making it super easy to add multiple languages, and it supports 100+ languages. It also gives you a customizable language and currency switcher, so you can add this to your store, making it easier for customers to select the language and currency they want to shop in. You also get a real-time currency converter and smart geolocation for seamless shopping. So it's going to auto-detect the customer's location and then show them the correct language and currency hassle-free. Overall, it looks free to install here as there's no pricing listed, but in terms of reviews, it has 661 5-star reviews,